Hey, Jay with Family Handyman here, back at our camper project, working on the exterior of this thing. We were going to polish it to a high gloss aluminum, but that's just not working out for us. So we've decided to paint it. And to get it ready for paint, we're going to use a great marine product typically designed for cleaning aluminum, pontoons, canoes. JJV's Best really does a great job of prepping the anodized surface of this aluminum, getting it ready for paint. Okay, so we sprayed this stuff on, let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes, scrubbed it around a little bit, and as you can see, we've got a great surface ready for paint. We've removed all the dirt and grime and even some of the extra paint residue off of this detail area here. We're gonna do one more cleaning with some TSP. We're ready for paint. For more DIY tips and tricks, go to familyhandyman.com.